For generations, marriages in Kailash Valley have been guided by tradition, not paperwork. Now, for the first time, the state is stepping in to give those unions a legal shape. The Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government has tabled the Kailash Marriage Bill 2026 in the Provincial Assembly, aiming to formally recognize and protect marriages within the small Kailash community in Chitral. If passed, the law would introduce a proper registration system, bringing marriages that were once recorded only through custom into official documentation overseen by local registrars. It lays down a basic conditions such as mutual consents, a mental capacity, and a minimum age of 18. At the same time, the bill makes a clear effort not to override traditions, instead giving legal space to long-standing cultural practices. Beyond the ceremony itself, the legislation also addresses long-standing gaps, outlining procedures for divorce, inheritance, and dispute resolutions, areas that have largely remained informal until now. Now, under committee review, the bill is being seen as a significant step, an attempt to bring legal clarity without diluting cultural that has survived largely unchanged for centuries.
The economic partnership between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia, the religious and brotherhood relations that have been maintained between Pakistan and Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and now, in addition to that, a mutual defense agreement which was signed under the current Pakistani leadership with the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, which implies that any attack on Kingdom of Saudi Arabia will be considered an attack on Pakistan. Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has now offered to provide its services to Pakistan in the form of another $3 billion deposit in the foreign reserves. Yes, the same $5 billion deposit that was already agreed and provided to Pakistan by Saudi Arabia in its foreign reserves, that $5 billion facility has been matured and has been advanced to another $3 billion deposit, thus accounting to a total amount of $8 billion. If one probes in further the details of the agreement that has been reached by Saudi Arabia and Pakistan, there is another $1 billion addition solely in the form of oil refineries and oil reserves. Thus, this entire agreement amounts up to 9 billion US dollars. This agreement was signed between Governor State Bank of Pakistan and Chief Executive Officer of Saudi Development Fund in Washington, D.C., and was witnessed by the Pakistani ambassador to the United States of America and the Minister of State for Finance of Pakistan. Now, this additional facility provided by Saudi Arabia to Pakistan will act as a buffer, as a cushion for Pakistan, where its foreign reserves will not decline, where its oil capacities and imports will not decline, and it will also already enhanced the foreign reserves by $16.4 billion. How do you see this diplomatic win once again, where Pakistan is going towards its economic revitalization? We are eager to hear your opinions in the comment section below. Thank you.